Pandas are beloved black and white bears native to the mountain forests of central China. Known for their peaceful nature and roly-poly behavior, they are considered a national treasure in their home country. Do you know pandas are big eaters? Pandas spend up to 12 to 16 hours a day eating. Bamboo lovers, over 99% of their diet is bamboo. An adult can eat up to 84 pounds of it in one day. They have a special bone in their wrist that works like a thumb to help them grip bamboo stalks. Tiny babies when a panda cub is born. It is pink, blind, and about the size of a stick of butter. Expert climbers despite their chubby appearance. Pandas are excellent at climbing trees and are also very good swimmers. And like many other bears, pandas do not hibernate. They just move to warmer spots in the mountains when it gets cold. They have cat-like eyes. Pandas have vertical slits for pupils, similar to house cats, which helps them see well at night.